Dr. Mermerski claims that this drug successfully recovers the body after cancer and serious diseases, because it strengthens the body's immune system, stimulates cell regeneration and improves overall health. The health benefits of this medicine are countless: cleans blood vessels, cleans the kidneys and liver, strengthens the immune system, improves heart health and protects against heart disease, improves brain function, protects against many types of cancer. Ingredients: 15 lemons, 1 kilogram of raw organic honey, 12 cloves of garlic, 400 grams of wheat, 400 grams of fresh walnuts. Preparation: place wheat in a large glass container and pour water. Let it sit overnight. In the morning, strain that water and repeat the process. This time, leave the wheat in that water for 24 hours. After 24 hours, strain the wheat and mix it with garlic and walnuts. Then add 5 sliced lemons. Then squeeze 10 lemons and add the juice to the mixture. Mix in a blender to get a smooth mixture. Add honey and mix well. Keep the mixture in a jar in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Consumption: it is ideal to take 1 to 2 spoons of this medicine half an hour before meals, 3 times a day. If you are using this medicine to fight cancer, increase this dose to 1 to 2 tablespoons every 2 hours. And don't forget to shine like a star, because you are the star of your life.